Unlock a world of film at FACETS' 37th Annual Chicago International Children's Film Festival. Here's how to FAST. Step 1. Browse. Explore all of our film programs with the CICFF37 Virtual Festival Catalog. Click on a Virtual Festival Catalog program to access a description of the program and listing of individual films. For more information about an individual film in the Virtual Festival Catalog, click on the film title in the program, or visit the Film Guide, where you can search for individual films by category or age range. By the way, all films are listed with age range recommendations. Symbols may be used to mark programs or films which contain mature themes or profanity. Films are presented in their original languages with English subtitles unless indicated otherwise. Programs for 8-year-olds and younger that contain subtitled films have been noted. Due to virtual screening restrictions, CICFF37 is only accessible to those viewing in the Chicagoland area, including Cook, Lake, and DuPage counties in Illinois. Step 2. Purchase. Choose a public single ticket, public pass, or public super pass to watch the film. Once you've selected your ticket type, create an Eventive account to complete your purchase. An access link to your screening program will be emailed to you once the purchase is complete with further instructions on how to watch the film. Step 3. Enjoy. Once a screening program is purchased, you have from November 13th to November 22nd to unlock the film for viewing. Once a screening program is unlocked, you have the entirety of the festival to begin watching. Once you begin watching a film, you have 24 hours to complete your viewing. In that 24-hour period, you have an unlimited number of times to screen the program. For specific information on how to watch CICFF37 films on your phone, tablet, laptop, or television, view the Eventive help page. For any questions about ticketing and film programs, contact a FACETS customer service representative at help@facets.org. Alright, pop your popcorn, cozy up with friends and family, and get ready to watch.